Tuna steaks are easy to make in a skillet, oven, or grill. To make tuna steaks in a skillet, brush both sides of the steaks with melted butter. Then sprinkle them on both sides with a store-bought or homemade blackening seasoning. Heat a skillet to medium-high heat until it starts to smoke. Use tongs to place the steaks in the hot skillet in a single layer so that they aren't touching. Cook the steaks for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side, for a total cooking time of 3 to 4 minutes. The steaks are done when they start to turn golden brown and flake easily around the edges. Let them rest at room temperature for 5 minutes before serving them. If you'd rather cook the steaks in the oven, brush them with a mixture of 4 tablespoons, 59 milliliters of teriyaki sauce, 1 teaspoon, 2 grams of grated fresh ginger, and half a teaspoon, 2.5 grams of salt. Bake them in a foil-lined baking sheet for 6 to 8 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Then let them sit for 5 minutes before serving them. Craving grilled tuna? Refrigerate your steaks in your favorite seafood marinade for 30 minutes while you preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Brush a light coating of vegetable oil on the grill grate. Season the steaks to taste and grill them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Then let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature before enjoying them with your favorite sides.